If you tried opening your stable fund today and it was taking forever, well, don't worry, you're not alone. I was actually going into it and nothing was loading. I was prompted to import my wallet. I was scrambling to find my private key or my private seed phrase, and finally it loaded, it reconnected, and we do see an updated UI. So I do believe it's just taking longer to load because of this new UI. But if we just take a look at what's new, we have an overview or like our dashboard here. I guess it's a bit more eye appealing if you ask me. The same parameters are shown on this dashboard, which is quite nice, and especially for people who are compounding, you now have your daily rewards depending on what you are providing your money to. My case, it's BUSD, so we can see I'm making about $17.76 per day. You also have it in hourly, so I'm making about 75 cents each hour. Quite interesting. Again, I'm not sure if this is sustainable or not the point of this video though. But if we take a look at the contract address for the BUSD side of things, it's still going up. I mean, this was at around 21 million when I initially invested in this, and right now it's at 25.5 million. So it's still growing. Whether or not that's just new people coming in or their actual AI trading bots making profits, who knows, but that is all we're gonna say about that. So if we continue taking a look at this new UI, if we go down here, you have a summary of all of your transactions. You also have the total investments per the different portfolios. And if we go to our wallet, that's basically the same thing where you can come in and out and withdraw or deposit into your stable fund wallet. And if we go on to the staking tab, this is basically where you stake your money. You lock it up for 28 days and you have these stats as well. So we can see I've deposited twice. The first investment I made, it doesn't actually show me the date anymore, which is not necessarily a good thing, but we do see its remaining lock time is 6 days. I put in $200 at first. Obviously there is a bit of a fee when you deposit, and then I went ahead and I deposited $1,000, and that is still locked for another 14 days. So I did like the fact that we had the deposit date. I can't seem to find it now. So again, you do have the amount of days left until it's unlocked, but I guess you can just calculate when you did deposit or just go back into your transactions to see it. Now, I do believe these fields are supposed to be populated. I mean, I'm not too sure if it's just, again, the slow UI. It literally took me about 5 minutes to come up. Oh, and look at that. We now have it populating. So like I said, it's very, very slow, and I was kind of freaking out because I thought maybe the whole stable fund thing had just disappeared from planet Earth, but rest assured, it's still working. Again, not too sure if it's going to be sustainable, but this is kind of cool because you can see your total amount deposited, and you can also see the total amount that you can withdraw right now, which is awesome to see. And if we take a look at the exchange, I don't personally use this, but they do have their own exchange. They do have their own buy. If you wanted to buy directly on stablefund, you can definitely do that. You have the history here of all of your transactions, and I can confirm that I have been sending my money back out to my MetaMask, so everything seems to be checking out in stablefund. I'm still a bit skeptical, but again, it's printing money and I'm not gonna complain on that. Now, they do also have their FAQ. Nothing really has updated from that. They just have it in their own separate section, and they have a settings tab as well. So that's basically the new UI for stablefund. We have a dark theme. I don't necessarily like it. It's a bit too dark for my personal liking. But again, I just wanted to make this quick update video. It's a bit easier to navigate. Yes, it takes a lot longer to load, so don't panic if it doesn't load instantly, or if you're asked to import your wallet, maybe give it a few minutes, because mine actually just registered and it told me, like, you know what, this is your wallet. And as we can see, it just flickered. I had no more money left. I now have money, so it's a bit glitchy. Just be patient. Again, I'm not endorsing stablefund by any means. I am invested with money I am allowing myself to lose, and I only have about 2 weeks left until everything is unlocked. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update video. if you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.